certificates showing their respect and also the yellow bracelet. Parents, feel free to come on up and take a closer photo if you'd like. Great job, everyone. And all kinds of fun stuff, folders and tiny fidgets and puzzles galore. Our students who have received 60% of their goal in second grade are from Miss Senior's class, Mateo. Come on up, Mateo, and visit our store. You may choose one class. We also have Edgar and Diana. From, let's see, Miss Muter's class, having 60% of their goal reached, we have Gian. That's a lot of students shopping at our student store.
Oh, 60%, wow.
Now, for the next round, we have 80% of their goal reached. These students who have already reached 80% are probably going to hit their goal this year, don't you think? Yeah, they might have to aim for 200% of their goal. These students, having reached 80% and receiving a certificate for a free book of their choice,
Yeah, good job,
will
baby.
be from Mercedes class, Jaden. As well as Alex. And from Miss Osorio's class, Christopher.
Good job, baby.
80%.
Lucky, sabi niya, lucky.
All right, now we do have, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students in second grade who have reached 100% of their accelerated reader goal already. These students we're going to call up, we're going to give them a round of applause, and they're going to receive a certificate to attend our end of the year AR party put on by our wonderful PTO. We have face painting, games to play, and all kinds of good stuff, snacks and music. So this is a big deal. These students worked hard. Without further ado, having reached 100% of their goal, from Miss Senior's class, Jaden. Come on up, Jaden. And from Miss Muter's class, we have Gian. And from Miss Osorio's class, I'd like to welcome up Christopher. And from Miss Sini's, you already called Jaden. Perfect. One more big round of applause for these. You may have a seat. Good job, everybody. I'd love to see our students reading. Now for our third graders. Third grade, are you ready?
Congrats,
Raise your
baby.
hand.
Good job.
I hope.